Hello and welcome to another beer review today with me, Mike, on LoveTwoExplore. Guess who's back? Back again. Brewdog's back. Tell all your friends to subscribe. It's Mallow Laser Quest. This is a marshmallow and pineapple hazy IPA. So we're going to give this a whirl. The can leaves a lot to be desired, to be fair. It's a wrap. It's not paper like Vocation does a lot of times, or like that Kingslayer was. It's an actual wrap, but it's left most of it. It's the can colour. But we're going to give this a whirl. It's 6%, so it's reasonably higher. 4's like the threshold of being a medium percentage beer. So going to give that a whirl. Obviously, the Sam Smith's glass. I might start changing that soon. Maybe I should get in touch, see if they will sponsor the show. Probably not. This is an arcade of fruited flavour. It says on the side there while I pour it. That is very cloudy. Reminiscent of my Parma Violet review, also Brewdog. Oh, it's like Guinness, the way that head's going up there. It's got a big head and then it was kind of fading in. But while I'm waiting for the head to go down. Oh, just want the nose there. Bit too eager. There's a fruity smell to it. I'm not sure if it's pineapple yet, but marshmallow and pineapple caught my eye, so I'll give that a whirl. Mallow Laser Quest. Now, this is the first Brewdog one I've done on here. I've not done many Brewdog on here, to be fair. This is the first Brewdog one I've done on here where I think the name leaves a lot to be desired. I don't think Mallow Laser Quest, marshmallow, but I think Laser Quest makes me think of pineapple. But someone might comment and say there's a big reason for that. So yeah, we'll give this a whirl. It smells quite sweet again, but in a different way. Not quite like how the Old Bailey smelt or Parma smelt. I say while we're waiting for the head to go down. It's not going down, so I'll give it a whirl and just have to wipe it off my beer. Oh, you can taste the pineapple. Put that there for you, for reference. You can taste the pineapple in it. And then the marshmallow comes through later on. Wiping that off again. Yeah, you can taste the marshmallow in there. Marshmallow's kind of like a soft taste at the end. That's really good. I would say that's probably... Actually, that's really good. I would say that's probably my second favourite that I've done so far after Parma Violet. It's better than Elvis Juice for me. It's better than Old Bailey and all the others I've reviewed. I don't know if I prefer it to Parma Violet, but I don't think Parma Violet's going to be around forever. It would be nice if Brewdog kept it around even after they lost the license to use the Parma Violet name and kept it around and just gave it another name. But if that ends up going, because it's a novelty, and it probably will, this is probably my favourite beer I've reviewed so far. It doesn't taste like a 6% either. I can drink that all day. Again, quite cloudy. Really amber finish to it. Maybe. And, yeah. The only criticism I've got of this, I don't know if it's just my can, but if you've noticed, when I poured that took a while for the head to go down. But that's just a small criticism. That's just me reviewing the drink. Yeah, I'd say when Parma Violet's gone, done and dusted, that I would recommend. That is going to be my favourite so far. Yeah, 6%'s not bad. £2.40 a can, or £8 for 4 cans. But again, sometimes Tesco do a club card price of about 6. I've seen them do this before with Brewdog. The 4 packs can go for £6 for club card price. So definitely, if it's for that, buy it. That is good beer. You taste the pineapple straight away. And there's like that sweetness of the marshmallow on the end that kind of softens it out. A bit like how sweet and sour works, I guess. There's, you know, kind of hit, and there's like a pillow of marshmallow in the flavour. But yeah, I'd recommend that. Unless you really don't like pineapple or marshmallow. But it's not overpowering at all. That's really good. So cheers. I'll see you in the next video. Comment below what you want me to try next. Like the video, subscribe. Hit that bell, because when you hit that bell, it goes ding-a-ling-a-ling, and it tells me you care. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. And I would really recommend Mallow Laser Quest. Don't really like the name. It doesn't give away what it is. But other than that, good beer by Brewdog. Probably my favourite, as I say. Because I don't think Palmer Violet's going to be around forever. Palmer Violet is my favourite so far I've reviewed. But Mallow Laser Quest is probably going to be my favourite once Palmer Violet's gone. I don't know how long they've signed the deal. If Brewdog decide after the deal's gone with the sweet company they're going to keep the Palmer Violet and give it a different name so it's not bordering on any copyright, then that will be my favourite. But as for now, I would strongly recommend you give this a try. Yeah, I would strongly recommend you give it a try, at least one can. As I say, £2.40 a can from Tesco, £8 for a 4-pack. I'm sure Morrison's and Asda do them as well. Not sure on their prices. But that is a good beer. So thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe. Tell me in the comments below what you want me to try next. If you've tried this, what did you think? Am I wrong? Are my opinions different to yours? I love hearing opinions that are different to mine. Some people don't. I like having a conversation. See you next time. Cheers.